We are continuing lesson 19 with part 4. Lesson 19 is, of course, Introduction to Quadrilaterals. So example 4 says each side of a baseball diamond measures 30 yards and each of its corners is a right angle. So because each side is the same and each of the angles is the same, that means that our quadrilateral, all of the sides are the same and all of the angles are the same. So we need to say what kind of quadrilateral is a baseball diamond and give as many different names as possible. Well, we know that it is a regular quadrilateral. A regular quadrilateral is called a square. Now, a regular quadrilateral is also an equiangular quadrilateral, so that means it is also a rectangle. If it is a regular quadrilateral, that means it is an equilateral quadrilateral, which means it is a rhombus. Because we know that both of these sides, both sets of sides, are parallel to each other, we know that it is a parallelogram. Because we have two sets of sides that are congruent right next to each other, we know it's a kite. Because we have a set of sides that are parallel to each other, that means it is a trapezoid. It already had quadrilateral, so we don't need to add that. What distance must a batter run for a home run? So a home run means you run all the way around all 4 bases. No, 3 bases and home plate. So the distance a batter must run for that home run, well, it's a square. So perimeter is equal to 4 times the side. Well, if we go back here, we can see that the side length is 30 yards. So that means that the perimeter is equal to 4 times 30. 4 times 30 is 120. And I believe that's 20 yards. So now in our last example, an Olympic swimming pool is a rectangle measuring 25 meters by 50 meters. Find its perimeter and area. So if you're going to walk around the Olympic-sized swimming pool, we have a base of 25 and a height of 50. So the perimeter, walking all the way around, perimeter is equal to 2 times the base plus the height. The area is equal to the base times the height, lowercase b. So we can just plug in 25 for B and 50 for H. We have P is equal to 2 times 25 plus 50. Over here we have A is equal to 25 times 25 plus 50 is 75. I know that because quarters are 75 cents. 50 cents and another quarter. 75. So we have 2 times 75 meters. If I have if I have 6 total quarters, I know that's $1.50. So perimeter is equal to 150 meters. Over here, we can multiply our numbers together. So we have 25 times 50. Well, 0 is going to be there because we have the 0. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 more is 12, 1,250. Now you have meters times meters, that is meters. So that is it for lesson 19.